Are you ready to take your YouTube game to the next level? Imagine being able to make money on YouTube without even making videos. Well, with YouTube automation, that dream can become a reality. In this tutorial, we'll take you step by step through the process of starting YouTube automation without ever having to show your face or use a camera. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced YouTuber, this tutorial will give you very valuable information you need. Before we dive into today's content, I'd like to kindly ask each one of you to take a moment and make sure you're sitting comfortably. Adjust your chairs or whatever you need to ensure you're relaxed and ready to fully engage with the valuable information I'm about to share. Your comfort is important to me because I want you to get the most out of our time together. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Content selection. In simpler terms, when you're selecting content or niche, pick videos that are really good, teach something important, interesting, entertaining, and keep people's attention. These videos should be about topics you care about, like getting better in life, staying healthy, managing money. It also can be entertainment videos or things like that. So basically, you're choosing videos that are both helpful and interesting to you and your potential audience. If your content is not interesting and valuable, your viewers will definitely skip your video. So choose content carefully. Step 2. Clip extraction. This simply means to extract the engaging, valuable, or entertaining part of the long video. You're like a chef picking the tastiest pieces from a big dish. These parts could be the most important ideas, exciting moments, or things that really catch people's attention in those long videos. This way, you create shorter, more exciting videos that people will enjoy watching. For example, you are watching a podcast of someone with Elon Musk, and you find some interesting part in that podcast. Now, you have to download that video and cut all the unnecessary parts of that video. Remember, you can make many shorts from only one long video, so think about it. Alternatively, you can also play video on your phone, and you can do screen recording of that part only. For example, you are watching podcast, suddenly you find something valuable or entertaining. Then you pause your video and you turn the screen recorder of your phone. There are two advantages to doing this. First, when you're watching that video, you are learning. And second, you also can make shorts of that video and put it on YouTube to have some income. If you are watching this video till now, don't think to skip. You're only a few minutes away. Trust me, it'll be worth it. Let's dive again. Step 3. Add value. This means making your shorter videos even better before you put them on YouTube. Even if you have taken the interesting part of the video, you can make it better. You can do. Introduction. At the beginning of your video, you can say a few words to explain what viewers are about to see. It's like telling them, hey, this video is about something really interesting, so keep watching. Or commentary. You can also talk while showing the clips, share your thoughts, or explain why this part of the video is important. It's like having a conversation with your viewers, and if you don't want to show your face, it is not bad. You can add subtitles to the videos. Remember, the subtitle is extremely important. You can add words at the bottom of the video so that people can read along. This helps if someone can't hear or if they want to follow along more closely. It also makes your content more engaging and professional. And don't just upload by putting subtitles, also add some filters on your video. You can know why I am telling you to add filters. Step 4. Video optimization. Video optimization means making your video easier for people to find on YouTube who watch these kinds of videos. For example, if your video is motivation, YouTube will send your videos to people who watch motivational videos. Video title. Think of a title that tells viewers what your video is about. Use words that people might type into the YouTube search bar when looking for similar content. For example, if your video is about healthy eating, a good title could be Healthy Eating Tips for Beginners. Description. Write 1 or 2 short paragraphs in the video description. Explain what your video covers and why it's valuable. Include some of the same words from your title and never forget to add keywords on your description and title. This helps YouTube understand your video better. There is a common mistake which people make when writing a description, and because of that mistake, YouTube does not recommend your videos to others. So if you want to know that mistake and avoid it, watch this video till the end. Tags. Tags are like keywords that describe your video. Think about what words or phrases people might use when searching for videos like yours. For a video about healthy eating, tags could be nutrition, diet tips, or weight loss. By doing these things, your video is more likely to show up when people search for topics related to your content, which can bring in more viewers. Step 5. Build a brand. Building a brand for your YouTube channel is a bit like creating a unique style or a look that people will remember. Here's what it means in simpler terms. Logo. Imagine you have a special symbol or picture that represents your channel. It's like having your own little logo, just like famous companies Google, Twitter, and TikTok have their own logos. You can put your photo also. Banner. The banner is like a big poster at the top of your YouTube channel page. It can have cool pictures and words that show what your channel is all about. This is like the sign outside a store that tells you what's inside. Color scheme. Think about using the same colors in your videos and on your channel page. When people see these colors, they'll know it's your channel. It's like how a superhero always wears the same costume. Step 6. Consistency. Consistency means doing things regularly and on a schedule. In this case, it's about uploading new videos to your YouTube channel at the same times or on the same days. It's like having American Idol new episodes arrive every Sunday at 8 p.m. When you do this, your viewers know when to expect new videos from you, and they are more likely to come back to watch them because they can rely on your schedule. So it's about being dependable and sticking to a plan for when you share your video. Step 7. Uploading and scheduling. It is like sharing your videos on YouTube in a smart way. Here's a simpler explanation. Imagine you have a video you want to show to people on YouTube. To do that, you have to put it on your YouTube channel. It's like putting a photo in an album. Schedule. Instead of showing all your videos at once, you can choose when they appear. Think of it like planning when to invite friends over to watch a movie. You can say, I want this video to show on Tuesday at 7 p.m. By uploading and scheduling, you can make sure your videos come out at times when more people are likely to watch them. It's a bit like choosing the best time to share your crush name with your friends. I had already told you that there is a common mistake which the majority of people do, and because of that common problem, YouTube does not recommend your videos to others. This common mistake is not giving credit to the channel from which you take the clip of the video. Sometimes you can use a little bit of someone else's content, like a short clip, but there are rules about how much you can use and when it's okay. It's a bit like borrowing a small piece of someone's artwork to use in your own art, but you can't take the whole painting. Imagine if you create a drawing, and it's like your special creation. Well, content are like that for other people. You can't just take their stuff and use it as your own without permission. If the person who made the content says you can use it, that's great. And if you can't contact the owner of that video, you should give credits to them by telling the viewers that this video is not mine. The owner of this video is this channel. You should mention their channel in the description. Thank you so much for taking the time to learn about YouTube automation with me today.